Shout out to EC Billions, welcome to MMO Gang. He made £100 profit off a £100 Forex account, which is a 100% increase in his Forex account balance. Shout out to Kelvin, he made around €3,400 of dropshipping, which around 2,000 that was in profit. He even took his way to even show us proof with video recorded footage from his laptop, which is even more sick. I gotta rate that. If you want a shout out on the next video, just send me a DM on Twitter or Instagram and just follow me on the gram. Bear in mind, these guys are young, 14, 15-year-olds, so if they can do it, why can't you? Just make sure you keep learning and making money online. That's how it goes around here. MMO Gang, baby. It's Poku Banks, baby. Today we're going to talk about TikTok, how I grew my TikTok page at Poku Banks. Go check it out if you haven't checked it out. And secondly, we're going to talk about Fiverr. So Fiverr is basically a freelancing program where you can list your services on Fiverr to sell to other people. I listed my TikTok page on Fiverr to see how much money I can make in a month. So we're going to go through all of that right now in this video. First things first, check out the T, self-elevation. Tell me what you lot think in the comments, should I make any other different colours? Do it out for sale? What do you think? Cool. Now to begin with, the reason I started my TikTok page is to be able to show young people on TikTok more about finance, more about entrepreneurship, more about business, because I feel like there was a lack of that on the platform. I wasn't sure which platform I was going to go with, so whether it would be Instagram, a podcast, a blog, a YouTube, or Facebook or Snapchat, but then I decided to go with TikTok. Why? Because of the organic growth. If you don't know about TikTok's For You page, I swear to God, that is like Instagram's Explore page but on steroids. Literally, you can have 2 followers and get 1 million views. I'm not even joking. And I thought it would make sense for me to go onto TikTok as it is an emerging platform. As of May 2020, TikTok has around 800 million users. This is way more than Snapchat and it's getting closer to Instagram's total, which is around 1 billion. And it only makes sense for me to go on and take a piece of that pie. And the growth on TikTok was crazier. I feel like there was a stage where I was getting at least 1,000 followers every day for like 60 days. And the way I was doing that is by consistently uploading 2 videos every day for at least 90 days straight. And as time went on, I was hitting plenty of milestones. Long before you know it, I hit 50k. Next thing you know, I'm hitting 100k. And when I hit 100k, I thought to myself, I have all of these followers, I have all of this engagement. How can I monetize off it? And the first thing that came to mind is simply to promote other businesses on my platform, as all my followers are interested in entrepreneurship and personal finance. So businesses that advertise on my platform, they have the right target audience. And I felt like the easiest way for me to contact these businesses is simply for me to put my services on Fiverr. So yeah, I put my TikTok page on my Fiverr account to see how much sales I can get within 1 month. So let's check it out. Hey, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thank you all for getting me to 6,000 subscribers. We're going to the top, baby. Okay, so now moving on to Fiverr now. So first things first, when putting on Fiverr, I thought, you know what, let me just highlight how many followers I have to show them a picture of my profile. That was the first picture. The second picture was how many video views I got in the last 28 days, so 9 million views, which is pretty impressive in my opinion. And then the third picture was the audience, the demographics. So 84% United Kingdom, and then the rest is 3% Ireland, 2% United States. By the way, wherever you're from, comment down below where you're from. Like if you're from the UK, don't worry. But if you're from any other countries, I just want to know, how many people am I trying to impact, So yeah, just comment down where you're from. But yeah, I'll go over my stats. Average likes 9,000. Average comments 113. Engagement rate 8.87%. My TikTok page is based on personal finance, entrepreneurship, and making money online. If your page or business is within those fields, my fans will receive your product very well. So I intend on keeping my profile clean, so I'll integrate your brand or profile into my videos so that it looks authentic to my loyal audience. Please contact me with your inquiries. So that's the gig that I uploaded to my Fiverr account, explaining my TikTok account, and I believe that this was enough for anyone to just buy it straight away. In terms of the category, I went to digital marketing, influencer marketing, and shoutouts and promotion. Now in terms of pricing, Fiverr tends to work with dollars, so my 1 permanent post was around $30, which is £24. My standard one, which is 2 permanent posts, was around $50. And then my premium gig, which was 3 permanent posts, was around $70, which is £56. That is very cheap. The reason I started off with a cheap price is just to draw people in, because I had no reviews at the time. So I wanted to get some reviews in so I could build up my expertise and then raise the price later. Now after a week of uploading my gig on Fiverr, on the 4th of May, I got 0 sales. And the reason I had 0 sales is because I had a lot of competition on Fiverr. So I believe that my gig was just pushed to the back of the search engine. So when people were searching for gigs on TikTok promotion, my gig wasn't at the front of the page, it was at the back and no one was going to find it. So I thought to myself, how can I advertise my Fiverr to get some more sales? So simply I just put it in my TikTok bio. So essentially with TikTok, they allow you to put a link in your bio. I literally put my Fiverr link in my bio, so then when people came to my profile, I wanted to advertise on my profile, they can click the link and then buy the Fiverr from there. So that's how I got my first few sales. And as you can see, my first sale came on the 18th of May. Okay, so now this is all what you've been waiting for. How much did I make in 1 month from advertising my TikTok profile on Fiverr? Let's check it out. In 1 month, I made $580 off Fiverr. But one thing I didn't notice about Fiverr is that they take 20% of your sale. So times by 0.8, only $464 of that was actually sent to me. Now, again, you guys can tell by my voice, I'm not from America. I don't spend in dollars. So convert that to pounds, that actually works out to be £363.95. Now that isn't actually all I made. I actually could have made a lot more. Let me explain why. Now obviously, like I said before in my description, I said I intend on keeping my profile clean, so I will integrate your brand or profile into my videos so that it looks authentic to my loyal audience. Every single Fiverr gig that came to me, I didn't take them all. So if you can see here, I completed 13 gigs and I cancelled 5 of them. Now the reasons that I cancelled these gigs are simply to do with personal reasons and integrity. So for example, some of these gigs wanted me to promote stuff that I don't really agree with, or some of these gigs wanted me to promote stuff that are direct competition with what I'm promoting, or some of these promotions just simply did not fit with the image that I want to portray on my page. So hypothetically, I could have taken these orders but I decided not to, but might as well add them to the total because I could have taken them anyway. So that's 5 orders of $40, so that's another $200. So, and then let's do $160 to pounds. I would be £128, 40 pence richer if I took on those orders. So that leaves us to £492, 35 pence. Furthermore, from providing a good service, I had some repeat customers. I had to get people to send the money to me outside of Fiverr. So that means I got it straight to my bank account, quick and easy. Now, some of the problems I had with this whole Fiverr thing is just not giving myself enough time. So in the beginning, I told people it would take me 24 hours to produce and deliver the gig. Well, I didn't know of how much thinking and preparation has to go into all of these adverts. Because essentially, they want me to advertise their service, but I can't just simply advertise the service like it is on Instagram. Since my page is all about teaching, I have to think about the end goal for my audience. So essentially, I have to think of content, how the content will mix with the advertising and deliver it in the most authentic way possible. So I'll be real, I was a little bit late on some orders, so it'll take me more than 24 hours to actually produce a video. So as you can see over here, delivered on time is 23%. Order completion 72%. Why? Because I cancelled quite a few orders, like I said before. And one thing about this, you gotta make sure you think about your fans first. And you need to be careful of what you're advertising. You need to make sure that whatever you're advertising benefits your audience. Or if not, then your engagement will drop. People will stop watching your videos because they see you as a cash cow. You're just trying to make money off your audience. Let me show you an example of an ad where I made it fit in very, very well. Business mistake number 4, getting stuff at retail prices. One thing I've noticed other businesses do is to get their products and items for consumer price. This is the wrong way to go about it. What you need to do is find a wholesaler that will give you the best prices. Now, if you're looking to start a business but you're not sure where to get your products from, check Entrepreneur. They have wholesalers for American candy, business cards, sleepwear, hair, long lashes, whatever you need. The aim of the website is to connect you with wholesalers that will help you run your business for a lower cost. This will jumpstart your career. Also, go check out the Instagram page, which has a lot of entrepreneurial posts. Good insights. It's Poku Banks, baby. Now let me give you guys some tips. Firstly, whenever I was doing any ads from Fiverr, I made sure always to put hashtag ad in the caption of the video that was an ad. Why? Because you need to make sure that your audience knows what they're being sold to. Make sure you have a niche page. So my page is literally all about business, finance, entrepreneurship. So that means these type of businesses come to me to advertise for my page. If your page is simply about anything and anything, then it'll be hard for businesses to pick you because they don't know what your audience is like. My audience is interested in becoming wealthy when they're older, including you. So that's why businesses know to target my audience, because they know what my audience like because of my videos. Whereas if you just do random videos with no sense of direction, then businesses won't really come to you. They won't see you as valuable. I've had people with over 700k followers asking me for help when I only had 100k followers. And the reason they needed help because their page wasn't really directly focused on any sort of niche. Mine is. But anyways, Fiverr is a very, very great platform to hire any freelancers if you need anything done. So logo design, graphic design, video editing, recording, mixing, mastering, anything. If you needed any of that, then you go to Fiverr. Fiverr, you could get anything. Whenever I need logos, I always go to Fiverr. Job Lotto, a rapper business run by me and my business partner. I went to Fiverr for. It looks like this. So look, if you're an entrepreneur and you need something done for your business or for yourself and you don't have the time to and you want to delegate it, then check out Fiverr. So look, what I can do to make your life easier and cheaper is if you click the link in the description, you get 20% off on your first order on Fiverr if you sign up clicking the link below. The amount is up to $100, so if you bought something for $400, you will get $100 off. That's the most you can get off. The link is in the description below, go check it out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know what you think below and comment any requests or videos that you want to see in the future. Okay, it's Poku Banks, baby.